The Reaper's been in use with the Royal Air Force for the last 10 years. It's been very effective in Afghanistan, particularly in looking for improvised explosive devices, reconnaissance around where troops might or might not be in contact. It's been used extensively in Iraq and extensively in Syria, and has been effective equally in all of those theatres. It's a very versatile, very worthwhile piece of kit.
This is a weapon system which doesn't expose those that operate it to direct harm in the battle space. And so it's an attractive weapon for governments that want to reduce cost, not only in terms of the expenditure of money, but also, of course, in terms of protecting the lives of military personnel. So that makes it very attractive. And also, literally, the drone politically is less salient when you're using a drone in these what are called ungoverned spaces, in these areas where there are question marks about how far you're eroding the sovereignty of another state. A drone leaves less of a political footprint, arguably, than manned aircraft or other types of military systems. So for all those reasons, I think the drones will have a very important role in the UK's future military capabilities. And for that reason, it's very important that we continue to study and debate these questions.